By the end of this video, you will be able to practically automate anything on your computer. Using this simple secret, you can do just about anything automatically on your Linux computer. All you need is basic terminal knowledge. If you know how to perform basic tasks in the Linux terminal, the rest of this video should be pretty easy. We are going to learn how to create scripts and set them to run automatically if we want to. I will be doing this on Linux Mint, but this is applicable to any Linux distribution. For example, I want this script to automatically remove all files in certain folders. Since these are the folders I use to make JPT videos you all know and love, I put videos and other media in them at the start. But once I post a video, I no longer need those files and they just clutter up my computer. But rather than going in and removing all those files manually every single day, I would rather set up a script that removes these files automatically on startup, saving me a lot of time and hassle. These scripts will save you enough time to purchase some JPT merch, available in any color and style you want. Link in the description below. So let's get started. First, open up a text editor and on the first line, type #!bin/bash. Then input your desired sequence of commands underneath. For me, I want to remove all the files in the completed videos, temporary videos, and thumbnails folders. To do so, I would type in the rm command, which is the command that removes files, and then following the command I would put the path to the folder I want to clean, which in my case is /home/carson/extra/jpt/completed videos in quotation marks. I put the /* at the end to tell the computer not to delete the actual folder, but just the files inside it. I will do the same for all the folders I want the computer to clean, and then I save the script. Now this is what I want my script to do. Yours will be different depending on what you want your script to do. But to sum it up, a script is basically a sequence of commands. Now we just need to make it executable. To do this, navigate to the location of the script in a terminal, then type sudo chmod +x, followed by the name of your script. Mine is called autoclean. This tells the computer that the text file we just created is an executable script, instead of just a regular text file. Now we must decide what we want this script to run. Of course, you could just run it manually whenever you want, but you could also set it to run automatically. I want mine to run upon startup, so I'll add it to my startup applications list. You could also add it to the keyboard shortcuts, meaning the script will run whenever you press a certain key combo. The most important thing is to ensure that the commands you have in your script do not need root permission, meaning nothing that needs the sudo command can be in your script. Otherwise you might have problems. Please support me on Patreon and get access to exclusive ad-free content. Link in the description below or at www.patreon.com/jpt. Thanks for watching.